Someone there? Whoever you are, I know how to use this.
뭐지 안 될 거야.
Stop talking! Your hallucination!
I see trees.
Apparently, we have the most dangerous, deadly creature on Earth, Pikachu. Cheers. Hey, people say my pop's missing. Do you wanna go find my dad? Do you wanna go find your dad? Do you wanna go find anyone's dad? Do you? Pikachu? Are you hungry?
Pika.
Brilliant. Everything goes better on a full stomach. What do you want?
Ketchup.
Ketchup? Pikachu loves ketchup and I know how to cook with it. Alright, come with me. Come with me. Okay, I need help. Do you want to help me?
Ketchup.
Pika? Please cut these veggies for me.
Pika pika. Pika pika. Pika pika. Pika Pikachu. Pika Pikachu. Pika Pikachu. Pika Paprika 맛있어요.
And I got the onions by myself, unless you want to try. If I make Junko cut the onion, I think it's going to be the end of the video today. In case of sausages, you can simply use it right out to the back, but today we have scary Pikachu in the house. I'll parboil the sausages first before using. If you parboil sausages before stir fry, good for babies. Could be less fatty, a lot healthier, and great texture. All we need is 3 minutes in boiling water. Get them all out, and it's time for the shape. You can score the sausages or cut in whatever shape you want. In my case, I'll make octopus monster. 이렇게 해야지. 잘라주세요. Now, turn on the gas, low heat. Butter and veggie oil in. You see the butter getting melt? Put some flour. You need to mix it again and again until you see it turning all brown. Time to add sauces. Ketchup, strawberry jam, Worcester sauce. You can always replace the jam with sugar, but strawberry jam can be a game changer. It brings fantastic savour. And be careful with the kids. Kids are unpredictable. If you're noticing that the things in the pan are actually becoming something, then it's time for the sausages and veggies in.
Matterpod.
Heat to the max. You see the onions cooked, it's done. Put it in the dish. Now we're good to go. Off we go. We call this soya in Korean, sausage yachae 볶음. Incredibly easy to cook. It takes less than 10 minutes. Plus, you can get rid of all the veggies in the fridge. Fantastic. Hope you enjoy this with your loving kids. Pizza.
나랑
맛있지? Good? 맛있어요? So, 99% of the kids love sausages and they also love veggies in the soya. So, anytime if you have any leftover veggies in the fridge, perfect choice.